subscribers. Hey, hello, my YouTube friends. Yeah, we are here in that sunny South Carolina. Looking good out. Started out this morning kind of cool, but anyway, as I told you, today is the day. Motor's going in. Let me just swing things around a little bit here. Whoop, you saw that hand, didn't you? But anyway, here we go. So, motor's ready. Stand's ready, I'm ready. Mustang's getting ready to have the underneath the hood cleaned up. Anyway. Yeah, she's been sitting for a few weeks here, but we're going to blow everything out, clean it all down, and start putting this motor in. Alright, YouTubers, this is a little short from old Mad Brad's Customs. Hey, don't forget, like and subscribe. Yeah, we need you. Hit that subscribe button. Alright, YouTubers, I know this was a little short, but we are continuing the saga of fixing the Cobra. Alrighty, we are out for now. Alright, second part. Subscribers, please subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. It's really easy to do. Boom, boom, boom. That is just touch. Doop, doop, and you're in. Hit the notification button. Yeah. And it'll notify you when I upload new videos. So let's get back on this Mustang Cobra. Alrighty. Here it is, second part. It is in the car. Won't be long now. Got a few little bit of wiring to hook up. Got to hook up the air conditioning compressor. I got to take that bracketing off of this power steering and paint it, get that cruddy ass sticky blue shit off of it. I don't know what that guy painted with, but it's the stickiest painty blue I ever seen. I don't know what it is, but very, very sticky. Same thing here. But that's later on. Biggest thing right now is getting all the wiring hooked up, the intake on it, everything back on it like supposedly. Then I'm going to have to jack it up, get the drive shaft put under it. As far as from the transmission forward underneath, everything's hooked up. The exhaust needs to be tightened on up. I got it on there. And just the bolts and nuts started. But anyway, I can't believe he scratched up the front of this so bad taking the motor out. Isn't that crazy? You see what I did? I just laid a cargo blanket over it. That way we don't scratch none of this. That's what I'm telling you. If you're a real mechanic, you know how to do things that protect the car. You know? You don't just drag a motor across it. It's not tore up, it's not bent, it's just scarred up from him taking the motor in and out. Crazy, crazy stuff. Anywho, alright subscribers, friends, family. Hopefully she'll be running either today or tomorrow. And I'm going to start on painting. I think I'm going to paint it right here. What I'll do is probably do the front end and then let that cure. And then I'll do the midsection and then I'll let that cure. And then I'll, well, probably roof and rear section and then let that cure up and then just shoot my doors. I think I could do it in stages. Alright, tell me what you think, YouTuber. Should I go back original color? Or should I change it? Where the color is not faded, it looks pretty good. As far as the color. It seemed like a lot of people bought this color of Mustangs. Anyway, yeah, the difference in the doors. It's funny how it sun faded the fender. It didn't fade the doors, but it did mess up the clear coat. I don't know what's different about the doors, but the doors held their color. It's got perfect amber lights in it. I mean, they are not scratched, faded, or nothing. And I got them on eBay. I was going to sell them so I can finish this car up because I didn't realize I was going to have to put so much money into this car. Well, I was been lied to. I was told that it was a fresh built motor and he had all the receipts to prove it. And then of course I went in and bought it on eBay and he didn't have none of that. Lied. Oh, I'm sorry, he's not a liar. But he lied. He's not produced one damn thing that he said he was going to. And almost a month ago, he was going to send me a package. He even fired his part-time help because he didn't go mail it. Well, that package still hasn't got here to this day. So, yeah, you're a liar. And you know what? The good Lord deals with them people. But I'm not going to lie for him. Because he's a liar. He's not done one thing he said he was going to do. And I got eBay to supposedly file a fraudulent seller on him. I guess that way when people go to look at anything he's trying to sell, he can see that he was a fraudulent seller and maybe they just will not bid on anything he's got. But I'm going to get back to it right now. All right, YouTubers. Hit the subscribe button. Doop, doop, boop. It's that easy. And we are